Apple is decide to use the same display which Samsung use in the Samsung S24 Ultra. In the S24 Ultra, Samsung has used proper anti-reflective display, and this display also minimizes the reflections by about 75% compared to a normal traditional display, and it's make very comfortable to the phone. When you use this display outside, you can comfortable with your phone, and according to the news coming from China, Apple has decided to use the same display in iPhone 17 in 2025. And unfortunately, this feature is not coming iPhone 16 series. And we have one more sad news related the iPhone 16 series and the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus coming only 60 Hz display. You will not get 120 Hz display in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Honestly, this is make me very disappointed. An iPhone 16 series launched with Apple A18 Pro chip, and according to rumors, there is a most powerful chip that Apple have made in history. We are going to see the biggest neural engine jump. And as you know, iOS 18 is coming with many AI features. And the all-AI features coming from third-party services like Google and OpenAI, so for the best AI performance. And lastly, we have some leaks related to the iPhone 16 design. iPhone 16 base model camera design come with a new vertical rear camera arrangement. And according to CAD leaks, Apple has decided to use the same camera design in the iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max, which he used in the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So it's all if you like my video. Give a thumbs and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.